As you probably already heard, Toronto's implemented a new bylaw that allows up to 4 units in any Toronto residential neighborhood. And on top of that, a laneway suite or a garden suite, which will total up to 5 units. Now here's the interesting story that I want to explain to you guys. Since this bylaw has been implemented, I've seen a lot of architects, designers post all their layouts and design ideas on how to do this. And when I saw these, I was thinking, oh my gosh, these layouts, designs are horrible. They're impractical, and what they're gonna do is they're gonna piss off a lot of the neighbors. And it's gonna do you, as the owner of that property, a disservice. Do not just squeeze in 4 apartments into any house. You have to do it properly to make it worth it. Let me explain. We've been doing this for over 15 years. We've been doing this before the bylaw even existed. We had to go to committee of adjustments. We had to go through all this red tape to get this stuff done. And now that you're allowed to do it, it becomes a lot easier. But what we've done is we talked to numerous architects, numerous city planners, contractors, and thousands of tenants. Let me explain how. And whenever we list these places for our clients, we actually show them, we walk through the department with these tenants, we get the feedback from them. We know what they like, what they don't like, what they're willing to pay a premium for. And all these ideas have come to us over the last 15 plus years. So we know what it takes to build and design a great layout that's going to maximize your cash flow, your rents. So if you want to learn more about these ideas on how we get the best product out there, reach out to me, because we've helped many investors create product investment properties that maximize cash flow. Talk to you soon.